This month, I'm going to make 2,400 Ghana cedis with the help of 3 apps. So if you are someone who is interested and you want to know how I've been using the apps and the apps that I've been using, this particular video is going to help you. So if you're interested, let's get started. So the first app I'll talk about is YouTube. Now, guys, YouTube is a powerful platform that can help you to make money online. That is, if you are someone who have something to share, like definitely you can make some money with YouTube. So right now, if you check here, you can see that I have $136 that YouTube will be paying me by 26th or from 21st to 26th of this month that we are in right now. And if you check here too, I've already made $3 for the first day of this month. So this means that, you know, YouTube has been paying a lot of people, especially those big YouTubers. The big YouTubers you've been seeing, like 100,000 views, 5,000 views and all that. They have been making a lot of money. So if you are someone who has something to share on the internet, you can create videos and all that. You can post some of them on YouTube. Anytime you try and you get like 1,000 followers, YouTube will start paying you. So if you are someone who also started and you reach some point and maybe you are finding it difficult to, link your bank account and all that, you can email me, because I've helped a lot of people and now they are getting paid. It was someone that helped me too. So if it comes to the monetization like this, I also help some people because I know how it feels to create content and not being paid. So guys, that's it. The first one is YouTube. YouTube will help you to make a lot of money. I did a lot of videos about how to create a YouTube channel and all that. So guys, you can check it out. I believe it will be helpful to you. So the second app I'll talk about is one app that almost all of us have been playing with. So the app is called TikTok. TikTok is one app that we've all, like a lot of people have been playing with, but I'll show you how I've been using TikTok to earn something. So now if you come on TikTok, I have 2 TikTok accounts, one for update and finance and the other one for a business that I've been doing on daily basis. So this is what I'm referring to. So if you check here, you can see that I have some videos that I've posted here. It's basically about properties. So if you check this property, for instance, this particular property is for a white lady in Def Krakow, that's community 25 Tema areas. So anytime I rent this property, I'll get a commission. So already we've rented one of these properties and I'll be getting 1,000 Ghana cedis as a commission from this property in this month now. So you see, so basically, that's how we have been using TikTok, or me, I've been using TikTok, because TikTok itself will not pay me directly into my bank account for creating content. So this is one way that I monetize TikTok. So if I'm able to get 10,000 followers on update and finance and all that, perhaps I can enable the gift option where people can be sending me gifts if they want to. So guys, basically this is how I personally use TikTok. So if I tap on this video, you can see this is basically me counting money. That's someone made a payment and I'm counting the money. Yeah, so guys, basically that's how you can use TikTok if you're someone who wants to start earning on daily basis. Just be posting your business there, or if you have a side hustle, you can be posting it there. So the third app that has been helping me to increase my income or make some extra income is Facebook, another popular app that most of us have been using almost every day. So how I use Facebook is that we have Facebook groups, and these groups comes with different categories and all that. So someone can create a Facebook group for real estate agency, someone can create a Facebook group for selling brand new fashion and all that. Someone can also create a group for selling farm tools. So basically, I join the groups that has to do with real estate agency. So anytime I post these properties there, like people have been reaching out to me that they are interested. Anytime I rent it out again, I make a commission. Now, aside from, before I got into this real estate agency, I've actually been selling on commission. Like I sell people stuff. Like if someone is selling something, I sell it for the person and I make a commission from it. That's how I got to know that, oh, real estate agency is even paying more than what I was doing first, or I can add it to it. Since I've not been earning every day, I can add it to it so that before the day ends, I'll definitely earn something. So sometimes people can reach out to me that sell fridge for me. If the fridge is like 7,000 Ghana cedis and I'm able to sell it, I can make 700 Ghana cedis from it. If it is like 5,000, I can make 500 cedis from it. So basically, that's how I've been using Facebook as well. Now, if I open my WhatsApp now, you see that someone sent me a message that I should sell some fridge for him. So now if you check this message, for instance, you can see that the freezer, they have sent me this freezer to sell. So this freezer is going for 7,000, as I was explaining in the video. So anytime if I'm able to sell this, then I'll be making a 10% commission from it. But if I'm not able to sell it, I will not make anything. And that's what business is all about. If you did not sell, you're not going to make anything. And here is the case: the products are not mine. So it means that I have to put in extra effort to be able to sell before I can also make something. If not, then I will not make any money. So basically, that's it. Even though I'm talking about making 2,500 or making 3,000 and all that, it also comes with expenses for you to do data and be uploading this thing and sharing it, sending pictures to people and all that. Before the month ends, you have to spend a lot of data. So all these things are secrets that in most cases we don't share on the internet. Most of us only share how much we make without sharing the expenses. That should also be at the back of your mind. So if you're someone who wants to be earning some extra income aside what you are currently earning, these are some of the strategies that can help you to start earning something. So don't go in for extraordinary ways that you can use to make money on the internet. These are some of the ways that you can start. I believe this video has been helpful, guys. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video.